Well, everyone, I'm just making a video now, and I have the hiccups, so I won't be able to talk that well. But I'm just saying, I'm changing my YouTube name to ZXFadeEU, and I'm with my friend Brandon right now. He does have a YouTube channel, but he just doesn't make videos. So if you wanna go subscribe to him, you can. It's Brandon LFC fan. And I have another friend, Hayden MC fan, so like if you wanna subscribe to him.
60 subscribers now.
Hayden.
He deleted it. It's on, but he still has the subscribers obviously, but he deleted all the videos.
So you can subscribe to him and subscribe to me. So.
I don't know. Look up.